Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about GoDaddy POS setup and review, features, pricing, and how to use it. Without further ado, let's get started. In 2025, GoDaddy continues to expand beyond domain registration and website building by offering a powerful point of sale or POS system tailored for small to mid-sized businesses. The GoDaddy POS system is designed to provide a seamless experience for both in-store and online retail environments, combining ease of use with modern hardware and robust features. Whether you run a physical store, sell at pop-up events, or want to integrate sales between online and brick-and-mortar operations, GoDaddy POS offers a flexible and intuitive solution. Key features. One of the standout aspects of GoDaddy POS is its hardware. Users can choose between the Smart Terminal and the Smart Terminal Flex. The Smart Terminal, priced at $499.99, includes a dual screen setup, one for the employee and a customer-facing display that can be customized with branded messages and logos. The Smart Terminal Flex, priced at $299, is a more portable version ideal for mobile businesses, such as food trucks or trade shows. Both terminals support chip, swipe, tap, and contactless payment options like Apple Pay and Google Pay. GoDaddy POS is integrated with GoDaddy Payments, which allows for smooth payment processing with competitive fees. In-person transactions are charged at 2.5% plus $0 per transaction, but subscribing to the Point of Sale Plus plan, $28.99 per month with an annual commitment, lowers this fee to 2.3% plus $0. The POS software also includes real-time inventory management, enabling business owners to monitor stock levels, receive low inventory alerts, and manage product listings efficiently. Bulk upload tools make it easy to set up a catalog quickly, while automatic updates ensure your inventory stays synchronized between your physical location and online store. GoDaddy's POS system fully integrates with GoDaddy's online store builder, allowing businesses to run omni-channel sales from a single dashboard. Whether a sale happens online or in person, it reflects instantly in inventory and sales data, giving users full control over their business operations. Additionally, the POS includes a basic customer relationship management or CRM system. This allows businesses to track customer information, view purchase history, and create personalized marketing strategies. Business owners can also analyze sales trends, view employee performance, and monitor top-selling products using built-in reporting and analytics tools. Pricing: Smart Terminal, $499.99. Smart Terminal Flex, $299. Transaction fees: 2.5% plus $0 or 2.3% plus $0 with POS Plus. POS Plus plan, $28.99 per month, billed annually. How to use GoDaddy POS. Buy and set up your machine. Choose the device that fits your business. When it arrives, just plug it in and follow the steps on the screen. Add your products. Log into your GoDaddy account. You can add your items, prices, and taxes. You can also choose how people can pay you. Teach your staff. Show your workers how to use the machine. It has a touchscreen and is easy to learn. They can ring up sales, scan items, and print receipts. Connect your online store. If you sell online with GoDaddy, connect it to your POS. This way, your sales and inventory stay up to date in one place. Look at your reports. GoDaddy shows you helpful info like what you sold, how much money you made, and which items are popular. This helps you run your business better. In conclusion, GoDaddy POS offers a reliable, modern solution for businesses looking to manage both online and in-store sales seamlessly. With its competitive pricing, integrated payment processing, and easy setup, it is a strong contender in the retail technology space for 2025. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Before leaving this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and contents. Peace out.